But first up, let's kickstart the show by talking about the top story, which of course is Infosys. And like we've been telling you, the entire pack of IT stocks is under massive pressure after Infy reported a dismal set of Q4 earnings. So Rima standing by with a quick roundup of all of the numbers and some details on what the management really had to tell us.
Thanks so much for that. It's a very disappointing quarter from Infosys, as we've been pointing out. A constant currency revenue decline of 3.2%, margin contraction of 50 basis points. I think the extent of miss has come in as a big surprise because markets were penciling in a weak set of earnings after TCS. But as I said, the quantum of miss has taken the street by surprise. FY24 guidance is muted. Constant currency revenue growth of 4 to 7%. Margin range has been brought lower to 20 to 22%. The reason also why we've seen such a sharp knock in the stock is because Infy has a higher weightage compared to peers. In their Nifty, its weightage is 6.75%, while that of TCS is 4.33%, and also is a big overweight in most of the portfolios, whether it's on the domestic mutual fund side or for the FPIs. So if any of the institutions want to bring down their holding in Infosys because it's so widely owned, you would see that big knock. Separately, if I want to compare Infy and TCS, for TCS, the problem was centered more around BFSI in North America, and they didn't see any project cancellations. In the case of Infy, it appeared to be that it was more widespread across verticals and not just project deferrals or projects being paused. They also saw some project cancellation. Across the board, we've seen earnings being downgraded by 7 to 10%. Ratings have been slashed lower by CLSA, Nomura, JP Morgan, Citi. Separately on Tech Mahindra, Citi has downgraded the stock to a new sell, and the key reason is that the communications vertical could be under pressure because both TCS and Infy has clocked in a weak performance in the telecom vertical, and this vertical contributes about 40% to Tech Mahindra's overall revenues.
All right, thanks so much, Rima, for giving us all the analysis on the Infosys numbers and its impact on the entire IT trend that we are seeing. In fact,